Hello everyone. Now it's time for the Stanton seminar. Please start the seminar, Stanton.
Mm. Good evening, everyone. Today, my seminar topic is The Pain of Others. It's a documentary, uh, a disease called Morgellons. And if I talk about the Morgellons disease, its symptoms are pretty strange and it sounds very untrue. Mm, uh, so, this is my preview. I got very less content for this one. Um, First, I'm gonna talk about the documentary itself and a brief summary of it, and then about the disease, which will help in better understanding of that documentary. And about Penny Lane. Penny Lane is the artist who made this documentary, and at last, I will like to give my opinions on it. So, The Pain of Others, it's a documentary about Morgellons disease. And Morgellons disease, it's actually a skin disease where there are some sores on the skin. So, this documentary focus on that disease and the patient who suffer from it, who are called Morgans. And it's a body horror documentary, and there are some few characters in it, like Mary, and there are some other girls. And one thing I've noticed that all of its sufferers are mostly women. I didn't find any particular reason for it, but that I noticed that in that, uh, and it show how they got the symptom, and uh, actually no one died, but still it was very scary. And the the one Mary, who is a sufferer from it, she even lose her hair, and that's why she shaved her hair, and she was talking like that she would lose all of her hair from her head, and that's why she shaved her hair. And the symptoms are pretty strange and it's unbelievable, and it sounds almost fake, and doctors were saying that it's a delusional disease and it's just a mental disorder. So if we take a look on the documentary, at the starting, it didn't pay much attention on the disease and on the patient. And at starting, it felt like that disease is fake and it's just a mental disorder. But as we move on, they were saying that the patients are not crazy and it's a true disease. And some of the patients were saying that it's like a disease from outer space, and it was and the pain, it is very difficult for themselves to explain how they are feeling. And also the cure for it, it's also very difficult. And Penny Lane, she made this documentary from the YouTube clips, so it's not there is not anyone who has acted and made this. She just edited it from many clips, and with her editing skills, it has become a beautiful documentary, and many people has enjoyed it. And also the customer reviews of that film are actually very good. So now I wanted to talk about the disease itself. So the disease itself, it's skin disease, and in that the individual or the sufferers, they got sores on the skin, and they believe that there is a fibrous material coming out of it. And but doctors didn't find much about it, and Morgellons is not well understood, and in general medical terms, they're saying that it's just a delusional parasitosis, which means it's just a mental disorder. They're feeling like there is some parasites inside their body, but actually, just their feeling, it's just a mental disorder. So the first one, the first disease, it was in 2001 with Lei Tao. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrong. So her son, who was only 2 years old, he got the disease, and she took her to many doctors, but and the doctors didn't find any allergy or any symptoms which are related to a disease. So they were just saying that it's just a mental disorder, and that her son is just crazy, and they didn't believe at first. um, and she and the doctors even find out that the fibrous material that is coming were in different colors, like red, white, and blue. And when they checked that fibrous material, it was they found a cellulose material in it. Cellulose is kind of like a carbohydrates which are found in grass, and that cellulose was from the cotton plant. Even if that her son didn't have any incidents with infection related to cotton plant, but it was very strange that a cotton fiber is like coming out of the body. Actually it was not cotton fiber, but it's kind of like cotton fiber. So it was strange. And some of the doctors were saying that she just pretends that his son is sick just to get medical attentions. So many people weren't believing on it. And even if it's difficult for someone to believe that it's actually a disease, because the symptoms are like some kind of parasites or some bugs is walking inside our skin. So it's kind of unbelievable, because no one would believe such symptoms if somebody would go to doctor to say that to show the disease. So that's why many people weren't believing. And after that there were some other cases, and then the doctor, they were a bit serious about it. But still, till date, we didn't know if it's actually a disease or not. And I think the symptoms are like very hard for the patients to handle, because um, in the documentary, they were actually crying because of that disease from the pain. Now I'd like to talk about Penny Lane, the artist who made it. So Penny Lane, she's actually an artist who made this documentary. So before that, she made a documentary in 2013, Nixon, and in 2016, The Nuts, and in 2018, The Pain of Others. Apart from this documentary, she even have made many other small short films, which and she has got many award-winning award. She has also won many awards. And for The Nuts in 2016, which was made in 2016, she got a special jury award for her editing skills. And she's basically from America, and she has also won many awards for her short films. So as a conclusion, I think that the Morgellons disease, which the documentary was all about, it's actually a disease. It's for me, it's kind of sound like a mental disorder, but it's the fibers that come out of the body, it's also pretty strange, because if it's mental disorder, then how can a fiber come out of the body? So that was the strange thing that I found. And apart from that, for me, it just sounds like a mental delusion, mental diseases. Thank you. Mm.